Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo, and today I'm sharing a super quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY using hangers. So a friend turned me on to a video she had seen on YouTube. I will link it below in the description, and I just had to recreate my own. Let's get started. From the Dollar Tree, I picked up some small zip ties in clear or white. I did pick up these snowflakes to embellish. They are not necessary. You will need 16 hangers in either size, children's or standard. At the Dollar Tree, the standard size comes in 7. I sure wish it came in 8. That would make this a $2 DIY. To get started, you'll need a large area. I'm using the kitchen floor. You're going to want to pair your hangers together with their bottoms together and your hooks facing the same direction. I wanted mine up, but you could face yours down if you choose to. Continue doing that until you have 4 pairs matched up in the corners together. Once you've made sure that all of your hooks are facing the same direction, take 2 more hangers for your top layer and create a new point to your snowflake by placing them over the hooks of the bottom layer. Now we're going to connect the top layer with the bottom layer, laying the flat bottom portion of the top 2 hangers over the hook portion of the bottom 2 hangers. Now we're going to go ahead and connect all 4 hangers at the corner. Be sure to leave your zip ties a little loose so that you can work with them and put the entire snowflake together. We've got 1/4 of it already completed. Now we're going to repeat the last step, putting the long portion of the top layer of hangers over the hook portion of the bottom layer and connecting them again with zip ties. Repeating the process in the bottom corners, connecting all 4 hangers together. Now that we have another section of the snowflake completed, we're going to connect the 2 quarters together. We're just going to repeat the process of connecting them where the hangers meet the straight bottom portions of the hangers. Now we're going to connect them up here in the corner, and we have half of a snowflake already done. Now I just repeated the process of putting the top layer over the bottom layer, connecting them where the flat edge meets the hooks of the hanger, and also down here in the corner. Now I've got another 1/4 of my snowflake completed, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to the portion that is already together. Here again, connecting the top layer to the bottom layer where the hook portion meets the flat edge of the bottom, and again here at the corners. You can definitely cut off the edges of your zip ties at the end, but they started to bother me when I was moving my hangers around, so I went ahead and snipped off a few ends. Now we're ready to complete our snowflake with our final point. Again, pairing 2 hangers along the flat edge of the bottom, placing them over the hooks of the hangers on the bottom layer and connecting them. And again here in the corner, connecting all 4 hangers using a zip tie. Now we will connect our last portion of our snowflake to the rest, and it will be all finished. To do this, I'm using a zip tie to connect these 4 hangers in this corner. Now moving down and connecting the hook with the flat edge of the 2 layers. And now for our very last 2 zip ties. We're going to take the last 2 corners that need connected and then repeat the process down below on the hook portion. Now I've got to tell you guys, this is super easy once you get the hang of it. I went ahead and completed the one using children's hangers on my own, and you guys get to see the finished product. It is the exact same process. At the end, you can snugly fit your zip ties and go ahead and trim off any ends. I also like this as the front of my snowflake, so I did go ahead and flip the fastening portions of my zip ties to the back. I can't get over how beautiful this makes a Dollar Tree hanger look, and they are huge. This one is a total of 3 feet from point to point. Now speaking of points, I did decide to embellish my snowflakes using a few small snowflake ornaments that come in a pack of 8 at the Dollar Tree. I just connected the center one using a zip tie so that it would hang right in the middle. For the points, I went ahead and got out my hot glue gun and glued them down to each corner with a little bit of hot glue. I think it gives the perfect finishing touch to my snowflakes. And that's all there is to making these really simple Dollar Tree hanger snowflakes. They give you so much bang for your buck. The larger one measures 3 feet from point to point, and I can't wait to use it in my windows in my outside Christmas decor. The smaller one, made with children's hangers, is 26 inches from point to point, and you can't beat it with just 3 packs of hangers from the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this simple DIY, and I'll see you back very soon.